Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to translate live text with Google Lens. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's just say there is this live text or document that you want to translate. All you have to do is open your Google and then tap on this translate button right here. And you need to allow Google Lens to take pictures or record a video here in order for you to translate a specific language. So let's just say I'm going to translate a live text or a document right here on my screen. I'm going to translate this from Spanish to English. So I'm going to point my camera to the monitor and then scan that specific document. For example, this one right here. Now you must be very specific with your translate. As you can see, language detected. Click this one to change the language. You want to translate this into English. So you have to scroll down here and then look for English. So basically, Google Lens will automatically detect a language, Spanish, translate to English, and this is the result. Now, let's just say if you wanted to translate a document from a Google site or a specific site or even upload a document, you just have to simply tap on this translate option right here and Google Lens will translate that specific language to another language. So I will be visiting a specific site or let's just say a file or a document or a live text. Now I'm going to download this picture or this document right here. So I'm going to tap and then I'm going to download image. Now, once I have downloaded this image, then I can now go back to my Google or Google Lens, and I'm going to tap on this camera icon right here, or let's just say tap this translate icon right here. It will show the recent pictures that you have in your gallery. So you have to select that specific file or text, and then again it will be automatically detected and then look for that specific language that you want to translate. So basically that's how easy it is to translate live text with Google Lens. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.